How to remove reposted videos on TikTok. So hello guys, if you reposted some videos on TikTok and you want to unrepost, so how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. The process was same on Android and iPhone and Samsung. So for that we'll simply go to TikTok app in our mobile. So I will go to TikTok. Here you guys will see my profile pic on down right side. Simply click here. Now here you guys will see TikTok Studio. Also now down TikTok Studio, you guys will see that lock option, also that two arrows. So simply click on that two arrows. Now here you guys will see the videos that you reposted. So how you guys can unrepost? For that, simply click on any video. Now you guys will simply see you reposted. To simply click on you reposted. Once you click on you reposted, here you guys will see reposted. So simply click on reposted. Now click on remove repost. Once you click on remove repost, that video will be removed from the posts. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.